Immerse yourself in the aroma of possibility as you cradle a warm cup of pu'erh tea in your hands. This isn't just any tea, it's a cup of wellness, a blend of tradition, and a testament to the power of nature's bounty. Pu'erh tea, named after the town of Pu'erh in Yunnan province of China, is a kind of fermented tea that has been lauded for centuries for its health benefits. Unlike any other tea, pu'erh undergoes a unique process of fermentation and maturation, which not only enhances its flavor profile, but also augments its health benefits. Imagine the tranquil tea gardens nestled in the high mountains of Yunnan, where the air is pure and the soil fertile. Here the tea leaves are plucked, sun-dried, and then subjected to a fermentation process. This fermentation, a dance of microbial activity, transforms the raw green leaves into the dark, rich and earthy pu'erh tea that we know. The taste of pu'erh tea is as unique as its creation process. It has a rich, earthy flavor, unlike any other tea. The first sip might surprise you with its depth and complexity, but as you let it roll over your tongue, you'll find yourself sinking into its warmth, comforted by its familiarity, and soothed by its mild sweetness. Sipping pu'erh tea is an experience, a ritual that calms the mind and nurtures the soul. As the warm liquid cascades down your throat, you can almost feel the stress melting away, replaced by a sense of tranquility. It's like being wrapped in a warm blanket on a cold winter's night, safe and content. But pu'erh tea is more than just a comforting beverage. It's a symbol of a culture, a tradition that has been passed down through generations. It's a connection to the past, a link to the ancient Chinese philosophy of balance and wellness. Indeed, with every sip, you savor not just a tea, but a tradition steeped in history. Now imagine this soothing experience helping you shed those stubborn pounds. Yes, you heard it right. The science of pu'erh tea is as fascinating as its rich, earthy flavor. Let's dive into the heart of this wonder brew and understand how it aids in weight loss. At the core of pu'erh tea's slimming properties are two potent compounds, theanine and catechins. Theanine, an amino acid found in tea leaves, is known for its calming effects. But did you know it also plays a significant role in weight loss? Theanine stimulates the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that not only elevates your mood but also suppresses appetite, helping you avoid overeating. On the other hand, catechins are a type of antioxidant. They speed up your body's metabolism, essentially turning your body into a natural incinerator. Picture this, a roaring fire, consuming everything in its path. That's what catechins do to your body's fat stores. They increase the rate at which your body burns fat, even when you're at rest. What's more, these compounds work synergistically. Theanine enhances the fat-burning effect of catechins, so every sip of pu'erh tea you take is like adding fuel to your body's metabolic fire. But it's not just about burning calories. Pu'erh tea also helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings for sweet treats. It aids digestion too, promoting a healthy gut and preventing bloating. You see, pu'erh tea doesn't just help you lose weight, it nurtures your overall health. And the best part, you don't need to drastically change your lifestyle or diet. Simply incorporate pu'erh tea into your daily routine. Sip it before bed and let it work its magic as you sleep. So, as you sip your pu'erh tea, you're essentially stoking your internal furnace, gently nudging your body to burn more fat. And remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single sip. So here's to your health, vitality, and a slimmer figure. Cheers! But the magic of pu'erh extends beyond weight loss. Indeed, the enchanting allure of this ancient brew isn't just limited to shedding those extra pounds. There's a multitude of other health benefits that come packed in every steeped cup of this wonder tea. Imagine a foggy morning where everything is obscured and you're trying to navigate through the day. That's your body under stress. Now, imagine the sun piercing through the clouds, clearing the fog away. That's pu'erh tea for your stress levels. The soothing, warm embrace of pu'erh tea has been linked to reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. It's like a comforting hug in a cup that helps to ease the pressures of daily life. Now picture a bustling city, roads filled with traffic, everything moving but at a sluggish pace. That's your digestion when it's not functioning at its best. Pu'erh tea steps in like a skilled city planner, smoothing the road of digestion. It assists in the breakdown of foods, helping to prevent bloating and discomfort. Just like a city breathes a sigh of relief when the traffic clears, your body will appreciate the digestive support that Pu'erh tea provides. And let's not forget about the potential of Pu'erh tea to lower cholesterol. Imagine a river flowing freely, its path unobstructed. That's your blood flow when cholesterol levels are in check. Pu'erh tea, much like a responsible riverkeeper, helps maintain that flow, potentially reducing cholesterol levels and supporting heart health. So, as you can see, the magic of Pu'erh is multifaceted. It's not just a tool for weight loss, but a holistic approach to wellness. It's a brew that supports your body's functions, helping to keep everything running smoothly. It's a daily ritual, a moment of peace, a cup of stress relief, digestive support, and heart health. Pu'erh tea is more than just a beverage, it's your ally in wellness. It's a centuries-old secret, now revealed for you to enjoy and benefit from. So here's to the magic of Pu'erh, a tea that truly is steeped in health and wellness. The ritual of drinking Pu'erh tea can be as transformative as the tea itself. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, we often overlook the importance of rituals, the small habits that ground us and bring simplicity and tranquility to our days. The practice of brewing and drinking Pu'erh tea can be one such ritual, a mindful act that not only bestows health benefits, but also brings calm to your evenings. The ideal time to drink Pu'erh tea is before bed, a time when the world slows down and you prepare your body for the restorative process of sleep. As the sun sets, let the act of brewing this unique tea be a signal to your body and mind that it's time to unwind. In the ritual of Pu'erh, the brewing process is as significant as the drinking. Begin by boiling water to just under a full boil, around 95 degrees Celsius. Then, rinse the tea leaves briefly with the hot water, a process known as waking the tea. This step helps to clean the tea and allows it to start releasing its unique flavor. Next, steep the tea leaves in the hot water. The steeping time is crucial to get the best out of Pu'erh tea. A steeping time of 2 to 3 minutes is recommended for the first infusion. With each subsequent infusion, you can increase the steeping time slightly. This method allows you to enjoy the evolving taste of the tea over multiple infusions. The act of brewing and drinking Pu'erh tea is a process of mindfulness. It's an opportunity to slow down, to focus on the task at hand, and to savor the moment. As you cradle the warm cup in your hands and take in the earthy aroma of the tea, let go of the day's stresses. Let the warmth seep into your body, quieting your mind and preparing you for a night of restful sleep. The ritual of Pu'erh is a daily investment in your health, a soothing endnote to the day that primes your body for restful sleep and rejuvenation. The path to wellness is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. Imagine starting your day with a warm, comforting cup of Pu'erh tea, its rich aroma filling your senses, inviting you to take a moment for yourself. It's not just a cup of tea, it's a small, manageable step towards a healthier you. We've all heard the saying, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? Well, the same goes for our wellness journey. It's not about drastic changes or quick fixes. Instead, it's about making small, sustainable lifestyle tweaks that can add up to significant results over time. Incorporating Pu'erh tea into your daily routine is one such tweak. Think about it. It's easy. It's doable. It's a lifestyle change that asks so little of you, yet gives back so much. A cup of Pu'erh tea is more than just a beverage. It's a commitment to yourself, a promise of prioritizing your health and wellness. There's power in consistency. It's the little things done consistently that lead to big changes. So, let's make a pact to enjoy a cup of Pu'erh tea every day. As you sip this wonderful brew, visualize the positive changes brewing within you. It's okay if you falter. It's okay if you forget a day or two. Don't beat yourself up. Remember, the path to wellness isn't a straight line. It's a winding road with ups and downs. What matters is your commitment to get back on track. So go ahead, take that first step. Brew that first cup. Let the warm, earthy notes of Pu'erh tea become a part of your day, a part of your routine, a part of your journey towards wellness. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single sip. So, here's to your health, your wellness, and your journey. Here's to taking that first step, one sip at a time. Here's to your health, vitality, and the remarkable journey that lies ahead. As we raise our cups high, we're not just toasting to a simple beverage, we're celebrating the power of Pu'erh tea, a drink steeped in tradition and packed with potential. This isn't just about losing weight, though that's certainly a welcome benefit. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle, one soothing sip at a time. Each cup of Pu'erh tea you enjoy is a step on your path to wellness, a ritual of self-care that goes beyond the scale. Remember, the magic of Pu'erh tea isn't just in its ability to help shed unwanted pounds, it's in the way it nourishes your body, boosts your metabolism, and rejuvenates your spirit. This is your journey, and Pu'erh tea is your ally, your guide, your toast to a healthier, happier you. So raise your cup and toast to health, wellness, and the magic of Pu'erh tea. Before we part, let's make sure we stay connected. Hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss the wealth of wellness wisdom we're brewing up next. Every click, every view, every subscriber brings us closer in this shared journey towards health and vitality. We're grateful for your time, your curiosity, and your company. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay healthy and keep sipping that magical Pu'erh tea. Want to dive deeper into the world of Pu'erh? We've got you covered. Check out the link in the description below for more fascinating insights about Pu'erh tea. Here you'll find articles, research studies, and even some delightful recipes to help you make the most of your Pu'erh tea journey. Explore its rich history, delve into its intricate production process, and immerse yourself in the culture and traditions surrounding this extraordinary tea. Remember, knowledge is just as nourishing as the tea itself. So go on, click the link and immerse yourself in the captivating world of Pu'erh.